Unlock the secrets to proficient bulldozer operation with Interstate Heavy Equipment's exclusive guide, How to Operate Bulldozers, Step-by-Step Techniques. What you'll gain. Number 1. Hands-on techniques. Dive into practical, step-by-step instructions for mastering bulldozer operation from the ground up. Number 2. Precision control. Learn the art of precise maneuvering, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in various job site scenarios. Number 3. Safety mastery. Prioritize safety with dedicated modules on bulldozer safety measures, ensuring secure operations at all times. Number 4. Advanced strategies. Elevate your skills with advanced techniques for specialized bulldozer tasks and projects. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? We are crafted by industry professionals with extensive bulldozer operation experience. Our guide offers insights you can trust. From basic controls to advanced applications, our guide ensures a comprehensive understanding of bulldozer operations. Conveniently access our guide through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Ready to bulldoze with confidence? Contact us. Equip yourself with the skills to dominate bulldozer operations. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and kickstart your journey to bulldozer mastery. Don't miss out. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.